Hello friends, this is the fourth and the final slide video on the field view of Indian society. In the first video, we had discussed the nature of field view. In the second video, we had discussed the aim and the importance of field view. In the third video, we had discussed the characteristics of field view. And now, in the fourth and final video, we will be discussing the importance of field view. What is the importance of field view? Why should field view be undertaken? So, the first and the most important uh, aspect of field view is that it helps in the creation of knowledge. Whatever is existing knowledge is there in the books and in the study material uh, is there. But if you want to carry the whole exercise of science, if you want to carry the whole project of science forward, then you need to create new knowledge. From where will this new knowledge come? How can you create new knowledge? You can only create new knowledge by going to the field, exposing yourself to the reality, and then bringing original, fresh, new data from the field to the paper. So that is how knowledge grows. Um, another eh, another point which highlights the importance of field view is that field view gives us an exhaustive knowledge of the present day society. As we all know, that change is immanent. It is constantly happening in every place, at every time, and in every society, and in every circumstance. So, when change is constantly taking place, how can we say that a particular description of society which has been attempted by a particular researcher is final? It can never be final. What is the reality right now is a topic of constant research, is a topic of which constantly is an exercise which constantly needs to be done. So, in order to get this exhaustive knowledge of the present day society, we need to constantly go to the field and update the field view. Another next importance of the field view is discovery of social theories. Any kind of social theory which exists in the present day is a result of fieldwork done at some point of time in a particular society. We cannot develop theories without visiting the reality, without getting in touch with the reality. So, it is very important to discover constantly. In order to discover new theories, it is very important to constantly be in touch with the field. And field view is a very significant source of social theories. Let's move on to the next point: development of concepts, that is Sanskritization and Brahminization, etc. Like I said in the last point only, that not that theories, we were talking about theories, but now we are talking about concepts. The conceptual terminology, the concepts, the definitions develop out of an understanding of the coined term. Now, that understanding of the coined term, or that coined term, from where does it come? It is coming from some kind of observation and realization of social reality. Once you go to the field, once you visit the field, once you interact with the field, then only you can uh, observe or pick up some kind of a concept, which is then uh, uh, later on developed and refined into an academic concept. So, if you want the science to grow, to develop, to mature, then it is very important. If you want your concepts, new concepts to be born, if you want new theories to come up, then it is very important that you, as a researcher, have a constant connection with the society or with the field, and you are constantly conducting field studies. So, students, that's it. Thank you so much.